Today we see Unit second is IO port interfacing part first. In that IO port interfacing part first, we see interfacing of DAC 0808 with 8051 microcontroller. Means the DAC IC 0808. This is nothing but the digital to analog converter, and this interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Today we see the diagram for the DAC and 8051 microcontroller interfacing diagram, and in last lecture we see the pin diagram for DAC 0808 and features of the DAC IC. The output of DAC is nothing but the current analog current I0. Digital input is given to the DAC 0808. The digital input is nothing but the D0 to D7 bit, and the output of DAC IC is nothing but the current, and that current is analog current I0. For interfacing purpose, here this current is converted into voltage. Then op-amp based I to V converter is used in interfacing. Current to voltage converter, op-amp based I to V converter we use. We see the diagram for this IO port interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Here this is the 8051 microcontroller. This 3 pin is the 8051 microcontroller diagram we see in unit first, pin diagram or function of each pin. This first is nothing but the EA bar, external access. Here D1 plus VCC. EA bar means external access. Then program store enable. Program store enable and ALE, address latch enable. These 3 pins 8051 microcontroller, the pin diagram we see in unit first. Okay, in that unit first, port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. 4 port is available. We see one by one. These 3 pin A bar, PSEN bar and ALE, address latch enable. Okay, this 3 pin here 3 ports, and we use only port 1. Display only port 1. Okay, this is port 0, port 2 and port 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this is use port 1, port 1.0 to port 1.7. 1.1, 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Means port 1 we use here for pull-up register, and similar for all these ports. Register is connected, internal pull-up register is connected, and here DAC 0808. This is the DAC IC. And this pull-up register is connected. Similar pull-up register may be connected to this. Similar pull-up register may be connected. Means this port 1 is pull-up register is connected, and this pull-up register similar connected to port 0, port 2 and port 3. Okay. Here we see one by This all register is 10 kilo ohm and this connected to plus VCC. 10 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, all these register, pull up register is 10K. Here 8051 microcontroller. In 8051 microcontroller, there is crystal 1 and crystal 2. Crystal 30 picofarad, capacitor here being 30 picofarad, is connected to ground, and this is 11.0. Your frequency is 11.0592 megahertz. Okay. Here VCC plus VCC, and this is ground for 8051 microcontroller. Then we see reset. This is reset pin. Okay. In reset pin, here it is a reset switch. This is reset switch. This is capacitor and resistor, and these all are connected to ground. Okay. Plus VCC and 10 picofarad. Okay. This completed 8051 microcontroller. Here it is a VCC, ground, then crystal 1, crystal 2, again reset circuitry. In reset circuitry, there is a resistor, capacitor connected to VCC and ground. Here it is a reset. And then 3 pin, EA bar, PSEN bar, and ALU. And this port 0, port 2, port 3 is similar. Register is connected as a port 1. Here port 1.0 to 1.7. All these pins are connected to pull-up resistor, and similar way port 0, port 2, port 3 also connected to pull-up resistor. Then we see that in the DAC there is a V reference plus, V reference minus, means reference voltage positive as well as reference voltage negative. Okay. And this connected to 1K and 1.5 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm and 1.5 kilo ohm. One is connected to plus 5 volt and another is connected to ground. This is nothing but the ground. And here op-amp is used, means current to voltage converter. I to V converter here we use. Okay, I to V converter here we use, and one terminal of I to V converter is connected to ground. Here it is a 5 kilo ohm resistor, and we give one current I0, and output is V out, means voltage, current to voltage converter. This is also 1 V out 1 kilo ohm. Okay, this is the I to V converter. That 0808. This is minus VCC and this circuitry is compensation. Okay, here compensation. This diagram is interfacing of DAC 0808B 8051 microcontroller. Okay, this is total interfacing diagram for DAC 0808B 8051 microcontroller. Firstly, we draw the pin diagram for 8051 microcontroller. In that pin diagram, 4 ports is display. 4 port is drawn. Port 0, port 2, port 3 and port 1. And all these port internal pull-up resistor is connected. Then VCC, ground, reset circuitry. Then crystal 1, crystal 2 and this 3 pin A bar, PSEN bar and ALD. Then we draw DAC IC DAC 0808. In this DAC IC there is a input line A1, A2, A3, A4 up to A8. This is the digital input line and this converted into analog current I0 and this current is converted into voltage. Then we use I2V converter, current to voltage converter, and the output is voltage. Here we given 8-bit digital input. Okay. Then programming for this in the DAC, here it is analog output I out IO. Okay, this is the analog output, but here in the DAC this analog output is depend on the I reference current flowing through the V reference. The current flowing in the DAC is I reference current, and this current is flowing in the V reference. Means the analog output current I0. This is depends on the reference voltage. Okay, we see the expression for this. This I out is expressed as I out means analog output current is equals to I reference means reference current. Then D7, D6, D5 up to D0. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. This is 7B. Then divide by 2, 4, 8, then 16, then 32, then 64, 128 and 256. This is total 8 bit is given as the input. D0 to D7, then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Okay. Here D7 bit, this D7 bit is LSB of digital input and D0 bit is LSB of digital input. We see the expression for analog output current. According to Ohm's law, I is equals to V by R. We calculating firstly here I reference current is equals to V reference upon a. In the interfacing diagram, we use resistor 1K and 1.5K. And V reference, the reference voltage is 5 volt. Okay. 5 upon 2.5K. The I reference current is measured in ampere and the current is 2 milliampere. Okay. Then according to Ohm's law, I is equals to V by R. Here calculating V reference. V reference is equals to IR. I is equals to 2 milliampere and resistance is 5 ohm. Okay. Then V reference voltage we calculating, and this V out, sorry, output voltage. V out is equals to IR, and then V out is equals to I reference multiplied by 5 ohm. And this output voltage is the output okay, then 10 volt. Okay. Then we calculating total current I out. This value is put in equation first. This is the equation first. Here we considering D0 to D7 is FFH. Okay, means D0 to D7 is FFH, and putting this value in equation 1. The equation 1 becomes equation 1, your I reference value is 2 milliampere and D7 all are 1, means 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, 1 by 64, 1 by 128 and 1 by 256. Okay, all are 1. Here we given data D0 to D7 are FF, means all are 1. And the current is I out. Output current calculating here 2 milliampere multiplied by 255 upon 256. Then total output current is 1.99 milliampere. This is the analog output current 1.99 milliampere. Then we calculating total output voltage V out. According to Ohm's law, I is equals to V by R. Here calculating the voltage, then V is equals to IR. Here V out is equals to I out multiplied by R. Here I out value is 1.99 milliampere and resistance is 5K. Then output voltage V out is calculating here 1.99 milliampere multiplied by 5K. V out is 9.96 volt. Then calculating output current, analog output current and output voltage for D0 to D700 volts. Then second condition, we calculating the digital input D0 to D7 is 00 volts. Okay. For second condition. First D0 to D7 is D0 to D7 is 80 years. In this 80 years, I reference is 2 milliampere. Okay. I reference value is 2 milliampere and 80 years means 1 by 2 and all are 0. 0 by 8, 0 by 16, 0 by 32. Okay. Here putting value D0 to D7 is 80 years. Then I out is 2 milliampere multiplied by calculating this 1 by 2 plus 0 by 4 plus 0 by 8. Okay. And the value is 1. The output current is 1 milliampere. I out is 1 milliampere. Okay. Here 2 get cancelled, then output current is 1 milliampere. Okay. Then calculating V out. The V out is equals to I out multiplied by R. Here I out is 1 milliampere and resistor is 5 ohm. Then output voltage is 5 volt. Output voltage is 5 volt. Okay. Then calculating D0 and D7. Here D0 and D7 is digital input, 8-bit digital input. We see in two conditions. The D0 and D7 is FFH, means all are 1. Then second condition, D0 and D7 is 80H, means only D7 bit is 1 and all are 0. Then third condition, D0, D7 bit is 00H. जेव्हा आपलं D0 to D7 means D0, D1, D2 up to D7, these all are 0. Then V out is 0 and 00H and I out is also 00. All are 00. Okay. These three conditions we see in problem. Then remaining part we see in next lecture.